Hi, I'm Elizabeth, Cleaning Services. Let me show you one easily is clean up inside microwave. No use chemicals. I use liquid soap with a sponge. Sometimes the sticking food or baby food inside the microwave. We can clean so fast. Very clean. We can take it out of the plate with the rinse it. They're so faster, so easy cleaner. No use of chemicals. To rinse the plate. We use a towel. The wet inside. This dryer cleaning. It's easy, very easy. No use of chemicals, to put it right inside. That's it. We're ready for use next time. Bye-bye.